Hi everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is the place where we learn how to bake and cook together every week. This week I'm going to show you how to make a red velvet celebration cake. This one was an order for a gentleman, and it turned out very nice. Apparently it was the best cake he ever had. So I'm really happy. I will take you, of course, through the process step by step on the video, and there are pictures on my Instagram account, which is at Christina's Cuisine. So of course, guys, if you like what you see here today and you're not one of my subscribers yet, don't forget to subscribe and tap that little bell, because that way you get notifications every time I put a video up. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, guys, don't forget, take care of yourselves and go break an egg. So guys, ingredients for red velvet cake are all of these. So as I said, we're going to follow Sally's Baking Addiction's blog recipe, and we have in this bowl here 3 cups of cake flour. Obviously I'm using self-raising flour, and we have 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. We have half a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda. I've separated the eggs, so this is the yolks, this is the other way, yolks and whites, so 4 eggs. We'll also need 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. We will need about 2 teaspoons of red food coloring, because we do need red velvet, so I got this really nice red. We will also need 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. I made my own buttermilk. You need to use 240 milliliters of buttermilk. So I made my own with about 220 milliliters of milk and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We also gonna use 1 cup of oil. You can use canola, or you can use canola is rapeseed vegetable oil, or you can use vegetable oil, sorry. And also here we have 115 grams of butter and 2 cups of sugar. The first thing that we're gonna do, we are going to whisk together the dry ingredients, and then we're gonna use the mixer and whisk together butter and sugar. So let's go.
Now is my time to shine. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone.
The cake tins are these 2, quite deep, and I buttered and peppered them on all the sides as well. And the oven is preheating at 180. Yeah. So now, butter and sugar. I'm just gonna break up the butter a bit before I put the mixer on.
When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you instead of wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you instead of wishing. Ignite. Play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you instead of wishing. Ignite. Play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you instead of wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you instead of wishing. Listen, do your own math and learn from the stuff that you are missing. Create your own path with your own vision.
Now we're going to incorporate this into here slowly. The reason we're doing this is to give it a very nice fluffy texture to the cake. So we all incorporated the egg whites, give it a nice and really fluffy texture. So you do this slowly with a round motion like that.
Now is my time to shine. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life.
You're going to weight the batter just to make sure we got approximately the same batter in both. So I'm going to show you guys. Here we go. The scale, grab it. I'll say about 500 in each. There we go, 504. And now you're doing 504 here. Here we go. And we're going to bake it for about 30-35 minutes. When a skewer inside comes out clean, when you put a skewer in the middle, the skewer comes out clean, means the cake is done. So ingredients for the cream cheese icing for the red velvet cake, I have in the mixer bowl here. I have 200 grams of cream cheese and 115 grams of butter. We are also going to use 100 grams of double cream, a tablespoon of vanilla essence, and 540 grams of confectioner's sugar, icing sugar. Okay, so the first thing we do is we mix up the butter and the cream cheese for about 2 minutes. So cream cheese is ready, guys. I'm going to put it in the fridge just to set for a bit until I get my cakes ready. So stay tuned. Here we go, guys. So it is a bit red, not as much as I wanted it, but it is red. And now we're going to fill it up with cream cheese. We're going to probably let it set one more time before we can finally decorate it.
Now is my time to shine. time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite.
Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I put crumbs all over the edges and crumbs on top, and I done a little label and I said happy birthday on it. So very, very pretty. This is my first official red waffle cake. So I'm quite happy with it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.